How to fix CIBC Bank app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. With that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over here, type in the app name CIBC and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. With that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Now over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed on a device. Find the app CIBC. After you find it, open it. Then click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of the installation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, you can apply solution 3. That is, you'll need to completely delete this app from a device and reinstall it. With that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. With that, you're going to get the pop-up. Click on Delete app for the confirmation. The app will be deleted. Then you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app CIBC app. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix the CIBC Bank app not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.